Everyone, congratulations to all Vechain holders, my friends. This video is going to very special for Vechain holders. Congratulations all Vechain holders. This huge jump. Now, my friends, as I told you, my friends, in my previous videos, that the huge pump of Vechain are coming soon in the start of June. So same like that. Of course, now today is the 1st June, and the jump you can see now on the screen. If you look the latest update of the Vechain, so every update is going positive. And before seeing the more details, I request everyone please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, this time the latest price of the Vechain, you can see here 0.121643 USD dollar is the latest price of the Vechain. On the other side, if you look the price changes over in the Vechain, so the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change occur in the Vechain as going positive. I'm feeling very satisfied about the Vechain, my friends. Anyways, what you think about Vechain, please tell me in the comment box. Now that is the first jump of Vechain. I hope now from the previous last 1 week the Vechain price is going positive, so that many and the start of in every videos I recommend for everyone the Vechain coin that's Vechain every time going positive, every time small take a jump, my friends. Gradually the price of the Vechain is going upward, my friends. You can see here, let's see the price chart, what's going on this time in Vechain. Wow, absolutely, my friends. The last 2 days, that is the last 3 days price chart, and the last 2 days the Vechain take a good jump, my friends. You can see here, take a huge jump. In the previous last 1 day the price is fast down, but now the previous last 2 days they take a jump, my friends. That is just a beginning. The now it is just a beginning, and the middle on 5 June, on 6 June they will take a huge pump. Wait for these days. Now if you hold Vechain throughout this whole month, so I'm sure that you will get a quite amount of profit, and there is a lot of chance to Vechain hit a 2 USD dollar in this month, my friends. Because now in this month a lot of people want to invest in a Vechain. A lot of people also ask me question about Vechain on my Instagram, on my Telegram. That is why the people want to invest in a Vechain. Anyways, my prediction about Vechain is 100% positive. Be hold throughout this whole month, you will get a good amount of profit. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Congratulations, this jump very my friends.